behavior of lithium. In many of its properties, lithium is quite different from the other alkali metals. This behavior is not unusual because the first member of each main group of the periodic table show marked deviation from the rectangular trend of the group as whole. The deviation shown by lithium can be explained on the basis of its small radius and has high charge density. The nuclear charge of lithium ion is screened only by a shell of 2 electrons. The so-called anomalous properties of lithium are due to the fact lithium is unexpectedly far less electropositive element than sodium. Some of the more important differences of lithium other than alkali metals are listed below. Lithium is much harder and lighter than the other alkali metals. Lithium salts of anions with a higher charge density are generally less soluble in water than those of other alkali metals. Lithium forms stable complex compounds, although complex formation generally is not a property of alkali metals. One of the stable complexes formed by lithium is lithium nitrate. Lithium reacts very slowly with water while other alkali metals react violently. Lithium salts of large polarized anions are less stable than those of other alkali metals. Unlike other alkali metals, lithium does not form bicarbonate, triiodide, or hydrogen sulfide at room temperature. When burnt in air, lithium forms only normal oxide, whereas the other form peroxides or superoxides. Lithium hydride is more stable than the hydride of the other alkali metals. Lithium compounds are more covalent, that is why its halides are more soluble in organic solvents, and alkali and aryls of lithium are more stable than those of the alkali metals. Lithium is the least reactive metal of all of the alkali metals. When acetylene is passed over strongly heated lithium, it does not produce lithium acetylide, but other alkali metals form corresponding metallic acetylide. Lithium has electropositive character, thus its carbonate and nitrate are not so stable and therefore decompose, giving lithium oxide. Carbonates of other alkali metals do not compose. Decomposition of lithium nitrate gives different products than the nitrate of the other alkali metals. Lithium hydroxide, when strongly heated, form lithium oxide, but the other alkali metal hydroxides do not show this behavior. Lithium reacts with nitrogen to form nitride, while the other members of the group do not give this reaction. Lithium chloride has an exothermic heat of solution, whereas the chloride of sodium and potassium have endothermic heat of solution. Lithium carbide is the only alkali metal carbide formed readily by the direct reaction. Peculiar behavior of beryllium. Beryllium is the lightest member of the series and it differs the group of second A elements in many ways. This is due to its small atomic size and comparatively high electronegativity value. The main point of difference are beryllium metal is almost as hard as iron and hard enough to scratch glass. The other alkaline earth metals are much softer than beryllium but still harder than the alkali metals. The melting and boiling point of beryllium are higher than other alkaline earth metals. As a reducing agent, the group second A metals are all powerful enough to reduce the water, at least in principle. However, with water, beryllium forms insoluble oxide coating that protects it from further attack. Beryllium in particular is quite resistant towards complete oxidation, even by acid, because of its BeO coating. Beryllium is the only member of its group which reacts with alkalis to give hydrogen. The other members do not react with alkalis.